Good morning guys and welcome to the channel. As you can see, we are doing a little photo shoot out down here in Queens. We got the Corvette parked in the middle of the road. You guys know how I like to do. We got a BMW, we got a Porsche over there, and we're just blocking traffic, you know? Here we got this beautiful NSX also. Love the color on this. We're just gonna be doing a little shoot. I'll show you guys how it goes. I'm loving the wheels. I can't wait to see the pictures from this though. The wheels look insane. And down here in Queens with the buildings and everything, I feel like the exhaust just echoes and it's just much louder. I was driving before and I was just idling. I wasn't even revving it or anything like that. There was like an old man with his fingers in his ears. And I'm like, I wasn't even revving it. I'm just driving like at 2 miles an hour right in front of him.
Yeah, that's good, that's good. That's good speed.
What kind of gas mileage does it get? If everybody on planet Earth owned one of those, the global warming would be so hot it would be 110 degrees right now if everyone drove one of those.
It is in Texas.
That's actually a hybrid. I'll let you know right now.
Bravo, bravo. But it's got to be fully electric. In 2024, all of California is doing the right thing.
Electric?
All electric 2024.
All Tesla.
All Tesla.
They're smart, and that's why they're the highest rated company in the world right now, Tesla. Because they're looking into the future instead of sitting in the past.
That was fun, guys.
These Toyo tires came stock?
No. I put those on the back.
What do they come with? Goodyears?
Pilot Sport Cup Force. They're actually good tires.
Only half a solution. Nearly a hybrid. It's got to be all electric. Got it?
You want to hear it? Sounds very good in electric.
It's on right now. It's electric.
Oh, yeah, it's on right now.
So we'll get there.
Yeah, your car's not electric either. What's going on?
I agree. This is a but it does get 30 miles per gallon.
This gets like 30 as well.
That's all?
You see that? You see that blue? See that blue Cayman? Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! You see that blue Porsche over there?
Yeah.
On the highway, I get like 40 miles per gallon.
Well, you're a bigger halo than I am. Anyway, keep up the good work.
Have a great day.
Hybrid is only half a solution.
Have a great day.
Thank you so much.
All right, next time I see you, I want to see you in an electric car, okay?
I would love it.
All right. It's just like, I mean, people would think that he's like a paid actor. Like, nobody's gonna believe.
Someone told me that you drove about it not being electric.
And no, and these cars are actually decent on gas if you drive them normal. If you drive it, because I think, what is it, goes into like a V4 when you're on the highway, something like that. I never let it go into that mode, but still, you have that option. Okay, guys, they're giving us a hard time about having the Corvette parked in the middle of the road.
What is that from?
Corvette. Thank you. Is he even a cop though? It says Epic Security or something like that on the side. Yeah? Yeah, so that car that went by before, I thought it was a cop, but it wasn't. It says something like Epic Security on the side of the car. I'm guessing it says like a little rich neighborhood, so I guess they have like their own little security. I'm not gonna move the car yet. We're just gonna keep doing what we're doing and then we'll move to a different spot. So let's see. All right, guys, let's start this thing up, see what it sounds like over here with the buildings. Guys, I know on camera it does not appear to be so, but I want to say the Corvette is actually louder than my Hellcat. And my Hellcat's loud. It's just a different kind of sound. This has more of like a bassy, deep sound, and the Hellcat is a little, I don't know, more higher pitched, I guess. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm telling you, this thing is crazy loud.
That's what he said.
That's why everybody keeps asking, like, who do these cars belong to? It's like, it can't belong to you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so crazy how quiet it is.
That's good.
It's so strange.
Yeah, it's just really weird. With those looks.
Because like now by law the 2020 model year cars have to have like the fake sound. So this like is the last model year before they like dubbed in fake sound.
So you know
Yeah.
it's there.
Yeah, so you know that it's there.
Good.
Oh, that's actually, yeah, it makes sense. Because that could be dangerous. Somebody crossing the road. Exactly. It's like this thing is like silent.
So weird.
Yeah.
It's like the perfect vehicle if you want to like kill people, like run people over. You like nobody's gonna know you're coming.
Sneak out. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
I'm pointing it at the car while I'm parked.
Sure,
Next
sure.
one.
My videography skills are gonna shine right now. Hold these, hold these.
Okay, so at this moment there may or may not be a license plate on my car, so I'm a little bit nervous. We had to move to a different spot because that security guard, you know, was kicking us out. So hopefully I get to the new spot without getting pulled over. Let's see. Yeah, this orange on the NSX is really nice. I like it. Okay guys, stay tuned because there's going to be posters available of the C8 very, very soon. Go check it out. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon so you can sign up for notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.